In this video, we will talk about how to convert OST to PST in Outlook. Open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description. Here, you can see it converts inaccessible, orphaned, encrypted OST files to PST. Click on Free Download. Here, we have two options: List Profiles or Choose Manually. If you select List Profiles, it automatically detects configured Outlook profiles. If you choose Manual option, you can navigate the file location. Simply select it, then click on Open. Or you choose Find option, then select the drive and click on Find. Click on OK. Here, you can see it found the file. Select it and click on Convert. The software checks the mailbox database and processing time varies according to file size. Once it's complete, click on OK. Here, you can see you can review the recovered items like inbox, sent items, deleted items, calendar, contacts. This helps you check that all your data has been recovered correctly. Now click on Save Converted File. Here, you can see the pricing details. The corporate plan is the basic plan for individual users or small offices. The technician plan adds features like split and compact PST, batch OST conversion, and migration support. And toolkit plan is more of a comprehensive software bundle, including advanced tools like PST repair, email recovery, password reset, and much more. As we already have the key, let me activate it really quick. Now, select your output format. By default, it has PST selected. You can select other options as well. Now click on Next. You can select different destination path if you want to keep the PST file in different location. The Recover Deleted Items feature helps you retrieve emails and mailbox items that were deleted from Outlook but still exist inside the OST file. An Auto Split PST option splits the converted PST file into smaller parts during the saving process. By doing this, it will not slow down Outlook performance and decrease the risk of file corruption. Now, click on OK. Wait for a while until it shows you confirmation message. Click OK. Let's check whether the file has been converted to PST. And here you can see we have PST file ready. Now, let's import PST into Outlook. Click in Search, type Outlook, and make sure you select Outlook Classic. Click on File. Select Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook Data File. Select the PST file location. Now, select the PST file and click on Open. It could take some time depending on your file size. Here, you can see I have all my data in Outlook. Hopefully, you find this video helpful. See you in the next video.